Have you ever bought something like a new clothes or new shoes and then the next day, 1 or 2 days later, instant regret? I don't know about you, but certainly happened to me many times. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you my top 7 secret shopping hack. So the next time when you go shopping and whatever you decide to bring home, no regrets. And without further ado, let's begin. Make sure to stick all the way till the end because I may or may not have a super sick bonus tip because I know you love bonus tips. Okay, the very first shopping mistake that most guys make is shopping without a purpose. How many times have you walked into a shopping mall, walked into a clothing store without having any intention to buy anything, or maybe you just wanna buy a t-shirt and then you ended up getting like 3 new t-shirts, 2 new joggers, and a pair of brand new kicks. And then 2 weeks later you are like, dang, why did I got these again? When you shop without a purpose, you tend to overshop, right? And you tend to impulse buy. You tend to buy things that you don't really need. So the next time when you go shopping, have a list of exactly what you want to buy, and when you walk into the store, walk straight into the area and get your stuff and then get the heck out of there. Okay, on to shopping mistake number 2, and that is to get clothes or shoes just because they are on a huge discount, and even if they are in odd sizes. I used to make this mistake a lot, right? I will see a super sick pair of sneaker on discount and I found out that they only have like 2 sizes too big, or sometimes it's like half a size too small. But in my head I was like, this is such a sweet pair of sneakers and they're so cheap, I'm definitely getting it. But when I wear them out, they never feel comfortable. It applies to clothes as well, right? Even though if they are like 90% on discount, if it is too big or too small for you, save your body some discomfort and give it a miss. Okay, shopping mistake number 3, which is similar to shopping mistake number 2, and that is buying clothes that are too loose or too tight. When I was younger, like when I was in my youth or teenage years, I loved to buy oversized clothes, right? Because in my head I was thinking, if I grow bigger, then I'm still gonna be able to wear these clothes, which was a pretty smart thinking actually. So I always intentionally get clothes which are like 1, 2, 3 sizes too big for my body, and they never look great, right? And in my late teens and early adult years, it was like 180 degrees change. I went from wearing super oversized clothes to wearing super skin tight clothes. That was when I just first got into men's style, right? In my naive head, I was like, the tighter and the more fitting the clothes is to my body, the more badass I will look. And I got like a bunch of super skin tight jeans and shirts. Let's just say that I rarely wear them, and whenever I did, I felt miserable. Remember, you want it to be fitting, but most importantly, you want it to be comfortable. Okay, shopping mistake number 4, and that is buying a bunch of clothes or shoes that are too outlandish or too loud. I get it, right? Outlandish clothes and shoes, they're super eye-catching and most of the time they look really good. But oftentimes they are also super hard to match with the rest of your outfit. Plus, they will be a statement piece that you won't have the opportunity to wear it super regularly. For example, my super badass orange-blue flannel shirt, I think I maybe wore it twice. Another example, my Converse Chuck 70 in mustard yellow. Although it's not like super insane, but the fact that it is a pair of mustard yellow shoes means that it is not as versatile as my white or my black sneakers. And although it looks super sick on its own, I rarely wear them. On to the 5th shopping mistake that most guys make, and that is to only going for branded items. Most people, when they think of branded stuff, they'll be like thinking, dang, they are so expensive, they must be super good in quality, right? That is just not necessarily true. A 500 bucks Gucci tee is not gonna be like 50 times more premium and 50 times more durable than your $10 Uniqlo tee. Plus, most of the time when you're wearing clothes with super huge logos, it will just make you look like a tool, like a try-hard, and it will just make you look like a walking billboard for the brand. My rule of thumb is that unless they're paying you, they're sponsoring you, or you are their brand ambassador, then you shouldn't be giving them free advertisements on your body. Okay, on to the 6 shopping mistakes that most men make, and that is to only go for the same colored stuff. I know, right? We all have a color or some colors that we naturally gravitate towards. For me, it is whites, obviously, and black and grays, those neutral colors. But if you are always wearing the neutrals, the basics, it will get super boring and super stagnant super quickly. Now, basics are still gonna be the foundation of your wardrobe, right? But after you got your basics, you should get some more fun stuff. Like some statement pieces, you know, some fun colors, some stuff, some colors that you wouldn't normally wear. Gotta step out of your comfort zone, right? Out of the box. Okay, now shopping mistake number 7, and that is to buy clothes without tailoring them. Now, most of the off-the-rack clothes that you buy in store will not fit your body perfectly, right? You can choose the size that best fits your body shape, but there are still gonna be areas that will not fit you perfectly. The trick is to find clothes that fits the widest part of your body and tailoring the rest. For example, if you're getting a shirt or a t-shirt, make sure that it fits your shoulders, and if it is very loose around your torso, it is okay, you can take them in. And for your pants, make sure that it fits your waist and your thighs, and for the calves, you can take them in as well. It is also immensely helpful if you know a little bit of a tailoring yourself too, like how to handle your simple needle and thread, how to do your own simple alterations. This way, you don't even need to spend the extra money and time to travel down to the tailor to get your clothes tailored. I did a few videos on how to taper your shirt, on how to taper your pants, how to hem your pants like a pro without using a sewing machine. I will link them down below if you want to check them out. They are super simple to do. All you need is a needle and thread, and it only takes like less than half an hour for each alterations. Definitely check it out, link below. Okay, now bonus shopping hack number 8. Whenever you go shopping, ask for a discount. Especially those smaller brands, right? Those smaller boutique shops. But actually, heck, even if it is a big brand, why not? You may be surprised whenever they offer some secret deals. Learn the art of haggling, right? Sometimes it is only as simple as just asking. I've got anywhere from like 5 to 30% discount. You may be surprised. Plus, you get to train your social interaction skills. How sweet is that? And that is basically it for today's video. Smash that thumbs up button for me to let me know, yo, Evan, that is pretty awesome stuff, man. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already. Once again, have a great day, y'all, and I'll see every single one of you in my next video. Bam!